Hi everybody, this is the final video of our role-based prompting series, and today I will be showing you how to use role-based prompting as a content creator. If you have not watched the other videos, I highly recommend you watch those first. They will all be linked in my description. The first type of prompting we'll be talking about today is step-by-step prompting. So the first step of step-by-step prompting is the very basic boring prompt. So it's just help me make better content. So if we send that through, the problem with this is that this has no platform, no audience, no direction. So as you can see, it even asks like what type of content. It doesn't have enough to base off of. The second type of so what we can do to fix this is you add a role plus context. So I am a content creator, help me improve my content. So now, since we've done that, ChatGPT has more to base off of. The improvement with this is it clarifies responsibility, but still pretty broad. So problem one, problem two, and it just so forth. To take this to the next level, you rewrite your advice focusing on audience value, storytelling, and consistency rather than only trends. This is taking it to the next level, which will make your prompt that much better. The improvement from this is it moves from random ideas to just strategy. And it just tells us a bunch of stuff, how to do it. So the second type we'll be talking about today is persona plus format combination. So the prompt structure of this is the creator role plus audience plus output format. So let's just copy and paste this. So it says, I am a content creator targeting beginner learners, create a weekly content checklist that helps me create, plan, and publish and review my content. So as you can see here, that part, so I am a content creator is the creator role, beginner learners is your audience, and the checklist is your output format. And here it's for beginner focused creators, and it's a checklist. It's just done exactly what you've told it to, which is great. So the third one we'll be talking about is multi-shot prompting. So it says here, I am a creator reviewing my past post. Here are my examples. Example 1, example 2. Now analyze my next content idea. Tell me what works, what doesn't, and how to improve it. So we copy and paste that and we send it through. So the purpose of this is to improve quality using examples, and then it helps because it identifies patterns, improves consistency, and refines creative judgment. So it hasn't really done anything here because I didn't give it the description, but if you do, it will give you a basic rundown on what you have told it to. So the fourth one we'll be talking about today is chain of thought prompting. So it says, I am a content creator, explain step by step how I should decide whether a content idea is worth publishing, focus on audience relevance, clarity, and long-term value. So paste that and send it through. So the purpose of this one is to improve decision making, not just the output. And it works because it builds intuition and avoids burnout, and it encourages sustainable growth. The fifth one we'll be talking about is act as system prompts. So this is the example prompt. I am a content creator. Respond in a supportive, practical tone that gives me clear next steps. It's not working. There we go. Sorry about that. So this one is like basically just saying act as something. So this could be anything. This could be respond as a content strategy assistant, explain this in a creator friendly motivational tone, focus on practical actions over theory. So it could be anything. Last but not least is the prompt sandwich method. So how this works is you get context, your task, and your constraints, and you put them all and you add them all together to make the prompt sandwich method. So the context is I am a content creator struggling to stay consistent. Your task is help me create a simple content plan I can follow every week. And the constraints are keep it realistic, low effort, and sustainable for short form content. So this works because it reduces overwhelm, encourages consistency, fits real creator workflows as well. This is why ChatGPT is great. I hope you got something out of my series for role-based prompting, and thank you for watching. Bye.